how it's done. And another one.
Looking at you two. Yeah, another game for netball. No warm-up, just arrived on time, but we have a team. So let's go. Starting at centre today, have a run around and then I'll find somewhere to hide in the last quarter.
Yeah. Everybody, if you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel, make sure you push the like button and subscribe to this channel as soon as you can, as soon as possible, as soon as you finish hearing the sultry sound of my voice. But we're here for another week. I've been off for a few games, so I'm ready to go. I want to get my money's worth because I've paid all those other sessions, so I want to make sure that I get my money's worth tonight. So yeah, the goal for tonight is to go all out, to put it all in the court, obviously in the court, and just leave it all there. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll touch base at the end of this game. See you there.
Final see my honey, see what happens.
Yeah, thanks for here tonight, but hopefully we do well. We just come and do some exercise, you know. Well, I say every time there's an A grade, so.
Cool.
Good luck to us.
Hey up.
Ready? Hobo the play for night. That's why the new wave's coming out. Nobody else. Yeah.
Hey up.
Yeah, the team were awesome. Yeah, this is our netball team. For Erick. Hey, that's us. And 44-26. Yeah. Good game, miss. Oh, you missed out.
What was the score? Just want to make a special dedication to my sister Anne Marie for missing her game. We didn't make it today, but we got a win. 44, 23, 26. So it's a good finally to have a win after months of struggling. Yeah, good game.
Yeah, pag-uwi lahi. Life is here, go to. So put it, homo, a packet. See, every people like guys, not okay. Got the alofa, total rossi.
Go it.
Laki itu mau sino, itu malolo sino. Thank you very much. It was an awesome game tonight. Very awesome game. The plan worked. Just put it all on the line. That's what they say. And yeah, and now we've had a good time. The win, I can't remember our last win, but doesn't matter. The main thing is that we came for the camaraderie, we came for the spirit and the positive vibes, and we've done it again. The same sweat, the same pain, the same prayers and the vitamins and all of that stuff. But yeah, it was a good game tonight. So yeah, watching this again, you should come down, have a jam. Social team, yeah, come in, join us. All right, thank you.
Hello.